It's a draw sprayer for garden and orchards. First, install the 4 wings. Then user as forming agent that the student makes with pesticide. Third, place the battery into the machine. Sprayer can fly 10 minutes each time, but is able to fully spray pesticide. It's flying now. Excellent atomization effect. Pesticide adheres to the front and back of the plant in the field, effectively killing the pests. People use remote control to monitor it. It stops to fly when the battery uses up, falling down the ground steadily. Finally, fold the 4 wings.